Genomic imprinting in human disease. See here, earlier we have seen if we take a male tall plant capital T and a female dwarf plant small t, then what you get? You get capital T, small t. So this is tall, this is dwarf, so this is tall hybrid. Similarly, if we take a female tall plant crossed with a male dwarf plant, then what you get? Capital T, small t, that is tall hybrid. This is what is known as law of equivalence. It doesn't matter which parent is contributing the gene for tall height, it is inevitably expressed in the next generation. This genomic imprinting violates this law. For example, you take Huntington's chorea or Huntington's disease. What is Huntington's disease? Very good. Autosomal dominant inheritance. So it can be from either father or mother. Say for example, you take a male or father suffering from Huntington's disease and mother is healthy. Now offspring will suffer from Huntington's disease. Similarly, now mother suffering from Huntington's disease, father is healthy. In such case, you can see child who is suffering from Huntington's disease. Here also you have, but in this case and in this case, the onset of disease and the severity of disease differs based on paternal or maternal origin. Maybe if it is inherited from paternal origin, in this case, the onset of disease is soon and severity of disease may be high. But if it is from maternal origin, onset of disease may be late, severity of disease may be less. So it shows that genes inherited from parents are stamped differently and behave or express differently. So this is what is genomic imprinting. So please write.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice at Vijetha IAS Academy. Our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.